Welcome to Varun Techie channel. Today we will discuss machine learning session 20. Linear regression versus logistic regression. Linear regression. It is used to predict the continuous dependent variable using a given set of independent variables, whereas logistic regression is used to predict the categorical dependent variable using a given set of independent variables. It is this normal linear regression is used for solving the regression problem, whereas logistic regression is used for solving classification problems. Linear regression, we predict the value of continuous variables. In logistic regression, we predict the values of categorical variables. In linear regression, we find the best fit line by which we can easily predict the output, whereas in the logistic regression, we find the S curve by which we can classify the samples. Least square estimation method is used for estimation of accuracy in linear regression, whereas in logistic regression, it is used for maximum likelihood estimation method is used for the estimation of accuracy. Output for the linear regression must be continuous values such as a price and age, whereas the output of the logistic regression may be 0 or 1 or S or 0 because it is classification. In linear regression, it is required that relationship between the dependent variable and the independent variable must be linear. In logistic regression, it is not required to have the linear relationship between the dependent and the independent variable. In linear regression, there may be collinearity between the independent variables, whereas in the logistic regression, there should be collinearity between the independent variables. Thank you for your patience in listening the session.